Good day, folks. Welcome back to Merton Hyundai and Ed's Garage. So today we're going to go over how to use the navigation system in your new beautiful Hyundai. So a lot of our new Hyundai vehicles come with a 10-inch navigation system screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to set an address or a location first by voice and then by inputting it into the screen. So a couple of ways you can do it by voice. If you have the actual address, you can speak it out, or if you're just trying to find the nearest business location, you can do that very easily as well. So first off, you find the voice recognition button here on the steering wheel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the button. You can either wait for the voice prompt to stop talking, or you can just talk right over it. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it to find the nearest Starbucks. You know what? Tim Hortons. Let's do the nearest Tim Hortons. I'm in Canada. All right. So I'm going to hit the button.
Please say a command.
Find the nearest Tim Hortons.
Please say the line number.
Line 1.
You will be guided to the first destination on the list.
And just as easily as that, we've set up the navigation to find the nearest Tim Hortons. Pretty simple. And you can see we've got a recommended route and an alternate route. Now, in this case, both routes are the same because it's just going to the same location and it's really close by. So ordinarily you'd see an alternate route that maybe takes you off the highway a little bit. So that's how you can quickly find an address on the navigation system. But what if you have an address, it's not a business, it's a personal address, and you're just trying to set that up with the voice recognition? Well, let's do that. So first off, I'm going to cancel this route by pressing that button and saying cancel route.
The route has been canceled.
Just like that. So let's say we want to go to, you know what, I'll use my old address. How about that? Okay. Let me see, what was my old address? Yeah, okay. So what we're going to do is, first off, we have to say find an address in, and then the state or the province. So in this case, BC. Then put in the home address, including the city. So here we go.
Please say a command.
Find an address in British Columbia.
Please say the address in British Columbia.
31977 Keystone Avenue, Mission.
3. Results found.
1.
You will be guided to the first destination on the list.
Now, the built-in voice recognition is quite good, but it is best to say it in the way that it expects you to say it. It can still get around some stumbles, some changes in wording and stuff like that, but if you say it in that way, the way that I just did, it's going to work best. And again, you have the recommended route and the alternate route. So if I choose the alternate route and then start guidance, there it goes. It's going to start now. Now, a couple things I want to show you. With the Hyundai vehicles that have built-in navigation system, you can also see your turn-by-turn directions in your instrument cluster. So to do that, you're going to use this button here to scroll through the menu until it comes up with this one here. So you can see at the top, let me get back to it again. You can see that little arrow. So that is turn-by-turn directions or a compass when you're not navigating. So now we've got turn-by-turn directions on the screen there, as well as turn-by-turn directions on the big screen. And if your vehicle is equipped with a head-up display, you'd also get turn-by-turn directions in here in the head-up display. I do see it right now, but it's, with the trees there. Oh, there we go. Maybe you can see that. It just came up right there. So that's the head-up display. Pretty cool. All right, now that you've seen how we can set up the navigation system by voice, let's set it up using the nav button on the actual system. So again, with these vehicles, their placement of the button is going to be a little different from vehicle to vehicle, but you're looking for a button that says nav. Now, first off, I need to cancel this route. And there's two ways to do that. Again, you can use the voice like I did a moment ago, or you can also hit the pause button, hold it down until it cancels, just like that. That's a little bit of a secret trick that a lot of people don't know about. So when we hit this nav button, it comes up with this screen here. Now, if you have an address that you're going to put in, it's a simple matter of going to Places and typing in the address. So 31977 Keystone. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit OK and see what it finds. Now, you probably saw that it already had it listed there because we recently went to that address. But if you do a search for it, you don't necessarily have to type in the whole thing. You can see the green bit here is what I typed in, and then it's kind of found the rest and figured it out. And it's just a matter of touching it, hitting set as destination, and away it goes. Same as last time, but this time we entered it in manually. Obviously, you can't really do that while driving, but if you're at a standstill or parked or whatever, you know, it's just as easy to set it up that way. And again, to cancel the route,
Mount guidance will start now.
we're going to hold that button and we just canceled the route. Now, also in that nav screen, you may have seen some other things. So you've got POI, that stands for Points of Interest, previous destinations where we've been before, an address book where you can actually type in addresses and kind of store them in there. But along the bottom here, you've got home, work, favorite, favorite 2, favorite 3. So you can actually put in addresses that you use a lot. When you've got a home address set, I'm just going to take you to that screen here. So this is basically the same sort of thing as we just saw. Once you have your home address set, regardless of where you are in North America or whatever continent you're from, all you need to do is hit the voice recognition button and say go home, and it'll start the navigation system for you and start the guidance to that location. Pretty neat technology, very, very easy to use. And yeah, hopefully that explains what you need to know for your navigation system. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more how-to videos. Have a great day. Take care.